Hey guys, it's Brunetta and we're here today at Schwarzkopf Studio, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We know that hair can be there for you for any of your biggest moments, so we want to make sure that we create the best looks for you. We created a very beautiful blonde for Venus today. With this look, we wanted to always make sure that we deposit color onto the wig. We start off with a platinum wig and we deposit it down. We use 3 different tones. We have our base color, which is our 5-55, and we alternated through the mids and the ends with 2 different tones, a 7-55 and a 9-55. We wanted to give her something that had a little bit of richness and warmth to it. We know that warmer blondes are such a thing on trend now for 2024. So I really wanted to add that in there, but I didn't want it to make it too warm. So that's why we threw in some of the dimension in there, which was more of that beigey blonde, and that kind of off centers or off balances some of the warmth there. When you first saw the color, what was your first thought?
My first thought was, wow, that's light. But also, I just thought, I love trying new things. I'm always very open. So I was pretty excited to try something different. I would have never gone this light. And I feel like all my sisters are gonna copy me now.
You set the trend first.
Yes.